So this is our chipper, and we chip about 1,400 tonnes worth of our own logs each week. The guys normally do it with our log handlers, so we can hold on site now about 3,000 tonnes worth of fuel, processed fuel, and about 10,000 tonnes of logs. So the wood comes from locally sourced forests around here, typically within 100 miles of the plant. Every single load gets sampled. If they think there's a quality issue, they can do particle size distribution testing to make sure that it makes the spec. We've got a lab in here, basically where they do the oven samples overnight. That's basically our boiler fuel. It's mixed. That's what we're after. So the crane's now it's going to fill the hopper. So it's picking some boiler fuel up. We will chip and add chip to it. Basically, that's your boiler, and it's the furnace area of the boiler. And then you've got different gas paths down here, so you've got 4 paths. Wood chips heating up the gases here. The air's being drawn through the boiler, and there's different heat exchangers and all the different gas paths. And that's basically what you're doing. You're transferring that heat into the different banks in here to raise the temperature of the feed water. We're monitoring the emissions. We're monitoring the temperature of what's going up the stack, because obviously there's certain parameters on what we're allowed to put out there in terms of what AEA permit. And obviously it just monitors the efficiency of the plant as well to see what the temperature of the stacks are.
This is the HP turbine. You see where they've got the silver pipes coming out of? So that's one turbine. We bring steam to here from the boiler, what we've just looked through all, at 540 degrees. The steam goes through the turbine. There's fixed moving blades in there, so it'll give its energy up as it passes through them. And then it goes back to the boiler to be reheated. It goes through a different section of the boiler, and it comes down at 540 degrees, again, 30 bar.
So this is the control room. Basically, they've got like so many different cameras and bits of data information from the DCS about where the plant's running. So that's our site transformer. The generator is producing electricity at 11 kV. That transformer steps it up to 66 kV, and then this is the grid's connection, and then that goes off and joins the rest of the grid connection. The rest of the super grid at Blythe, so it gets stepped up to 132 kV, and then it goes off onto the super grid system.